There's a high probability you use something like this to get into your house. But these locks, they jam up, they get stiff. As they get older, they wear. But how can you prevent that? Now, the easiest way to do that is to lubricate it. And what I use is something like this, graphite powder. You don't really want to spray anything in there, especially something that's going to get sticky. If you're unsure as to why, spray something against a sheet of cardboard and then throw some grit over it. And you'll see what happens, it sticks to it. So you get all that muck, fine dust, little bits of metal, whatever, that these things wear down. It will then stick in there and gum the whole thing up. So graphite powder is a dry lubricant. You won't get that sort of problem with it. Now, to apply it, it couldn't be easier. 2 tips for you. Don't overdo it. Put in just enough and no more. The second tip is prevention is always better than the cure. If your lock's working fine, now's the time to start lubricating it, and do that once a year. This stuff's basically like ground up pencil lead. So all you need to do is get some in the funnel there, or the spout. See, it just comes out. I don't know if you can see that. See how fine that is. Get over to your lock, give it a couple of puffs. Don't go mad. This stuff's awful to get out of your clothes as well, so keep away from that. And then take your key, and you want a bit of kitchen towel, and just key in the lock, and then just work it. Give it a jiggle. You want that powder to sort of find its place. Drop down. And then give it a wipe. Don't forget to do the inside of the lock as well. And there'll be some on your key, so wipe that off. First couple of times you use it after lubricating it, you might get a bit of muck, but it doesn't last. There you go, look. A little tiny, see that little tide mark on there? Nothing like it was. Clean it off. Job done. Do that once a year. Hopefully that's helped you out. Check out my other stuff. I'll see you on the next one.